Turn on printer using the switch at the back of the machine. Make sure the build plate is aligned on the printer. Do not touch the extruder or the build plate. They are hot. Always print on the build plate. Do not scrape your object off the build plate. To unload the filament, select the option from the main menu. There. Secure the end of the filament into the spool. Not smooth. Mount the new spool.
Okay.
To load filament, select the option from the main menu. Select PLA as the type. Remove the SD card from the printer and insert into the computer.
Right.
Open Prusa Slicer and import your file into the software. You can move, scale, position, rotate, and cut your object. You can also configure objects, copy, paste, and adjust the variable layer height. Adjust filament speed and layer height from the drop-down menu. Filament type should always be PLA. From the same menu, you can add supports, infill, and brim. The scale of your object can be adjusted, or each dimension can be altered independently. Press Slice Now once your object is ready to print. Approximate printing time and required filament will be displayed. Select Export G-code to transfer the file to the SD card, then eject. Reinsert the SD card into the printer, then begin your print by selecting the file from Print from SD on the main menu. The print speed can be adjusted while the print is in progress by using the knob on the main print screen. Reducing the speed is recommended for the first few layers. The print can be paused and adjusted after it has begun by selecting commands from the menu.
Right.